Aloha and good evening. My name is Zach Jones. Tonight I'm going to talk about the benefits of having a nuclear power plant in Hawaii. For the past 6 years, I've worked in the United States Navy with nuclear energy. On average, the price of electricity is 3 times higher here in Hawaii than the mainland. 84% of our power is generated by unclean fossil fuels. Fossil fuels such as diesel would have to be imported. Aren't you all tired of paying a paradise tax in your electric bill? Hawaii's energy independence is depending on bringing ourselves these fossil fuels. I am here today to convince you of the overwhelming benefits of nuclear power for Oahu. First off, what is nuclear power? Quite simply, you'll be splitting an atom in order to create heat. This heat is used to heat water, which creates steam. The steam turns a turbine. This turbine creates electricity. In essence, it's the same as a conventional plant. But unlike a conventional plant, uranium is much more efficient. One pellet, which can fit in your hand, is equal to 149 barrels of oil or 1 ton of coal. A nuclear reactor can also last up to 40 years without refueling. Now, unlike wind or solar farms, a nuclear power plant is not at the mercy of weather conditions and provide power day or night, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. One next-generation nuclear power plant can replace all the fossil fuel power plants on Oahu totally. A commercial nuclear power plant on the island of Oahu will provide a clean, safe, eco-friendly source of power for several generations to come. Now you see the cost benefits, I'm going to show you the environmental benefits. Overwhelming evidence shows that climate change is caused by humans through greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane are caused by burning fossil fuels. Most of these fossil fuels are caused by conventional power plants. Now, nuclear power has 0 greenhouse gas emissions, thus making it the most eco-friendly source of power. Hawaii strives to be a leader in environmental sustainability. What better way to do so than by having a nuclear power plant? Building a nuclear power plant would eliminate the need for conventional fossil fuels permanently. Seeing the cost and environmental benefits, I'll show you how safe nuclear power truly is. I know there's a lot of concern with the safety of nuclear plants. Be rest assured, no one has ever died from nuclear power plant in the United States. You'll be exposed to more radiation than the sun in Hawaii than from a nuclear plant. The United States Navy operates anywhere from 10 to 12 nuclear reactors in Pearl Harbor at any given time. They have never had a problem or defect. No one has ever developed cancer nor any other health risk from having nuclear power. In recent history, we have the Fukushima disaster in Japan, also 1980's 3 Mile Island, and the Chernobyl accident in Ukraine. Nuclear power in the United States is much safer. We have very strict protocols that operate our plants, which make it very safe. There's also concern about nuclear waste. Now, as we use uranium as the atom, over time, uranium becomes spent. Now, spent fuel is stored up to 10,000 years or so. But, however, the total amount of nuclear waste can be used in a year, or rather produced in a year, can be stored under your desk. All this nuclear waste is stored in one place in the Nevada desert called Yucca Mountain permanently. Now, this waste is a much smaller amount than anything else you'd have from, say, a diesel fuel plant or a coal plant. But there's also concerns of danger from tsunamis or other natural disasters, being this is Hawaii. A nuclear power plant can be protected to withstand winds and waves from a tsunami. The Navy has operated nuclear power submarines in Hawaii for almost 60 years without any problems. Contrary to many beliefs, nuclear energy is the safest source of energy without any environmental impact. I've shown you the financial benefits of nuclear power that can free our ohana from fossil fuels. I've proven that nuclear power is environmental friendly with 0 carbon emissions. I've put your minds to ease about the dangers surrounding nuclear power and radiation. Next generation power plants and operators are proven and tested. Now let's use this power for generations to come. I'll close with a quote by the esteemed billionaire Bill Gates. Nuclear energy, in terms of overall safety record, is better than any other energy. Thank you and good night.